Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to max vendor trust fast in Crimson Desert. Maxing a vendor's trust unlocks new recipes, items, and even allows you to get vendor contracts, which increases the quantity of items you can buy and makes them sell their items in your camp. Most vendors around Pywell takes copper and silver pouches like this, with a few exceptions that I'll go over later. All you need to do is interact with the vendor you want to build trust with. Let's interact with the Witch of Wisdom, for example, and let's check what she sells before maxing out her trust. Now select Gift from the options. Each coin pouch raises their trust by a small amount like so. Now if you check her shop after maxing her trust, you will notice that she'll sell a new item that wasn't previously available, like this alchemy recipe and additional accessories. This applies to almost all NPC in the game, with a few exceptions like the equipment vendor that prefers animal hides and saddlery shop that likes ores. It's important to max out vendors to unlock additional items and gears that are extremely useful in your playthrough. And that is how to max vendor trust fast in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.